Hi guys, once again we are here with a very important news regarding Accenture onboarding mail. Okay, so many candidates just received the onboarding mail that is subject name as welcome to Accenture and it has been come from onboarding team. Okay, you can see here onboarding team and the timing is 20:01, that is 8:01 p.m. Now let's move on. Let's see that what is in onboarding mail. That yeah, as you are joining Accenture and you need to do the prepare for your first day. Okay, so you need to prepare for your first day. So in next video, in upcoming video, I will tell that your onboarding will be virtual or it will be physical. You need to go through their center. Now let's just read out this mail. That this mail is to bring your attention for completion of onboarding document. Okay, and you need to update it on countdown to Accenture page, and you will get a call shortly from Accenture onboarding team for further updates. So what you have to do, you have to just list of the document in the mail. The list of document has been given, so let me just show you the screenshot of the mail. Yeah, this kind of a mail candidate are receiving, and here is the list of document that receiver, your offer letter, your term of employment consent form attached to this mail, and this is the link. Okay, where you have to upload it. You have to e-sign. Okay, sign it and you have to upload it. Now below document are available on countdown to Accenture page. So this kind of a mail mainly candidate are receiving. They have to prepare for their day one. So the mail named as welcome to Accenture. Now move on to next part, that those who have not received the mail. Okay, suppose those who have not received, even not received date of joining, not received their onboarding mail, what to do? You need to wait. Okay, you need to wait, as Accenture have their brew the coffee session on Jaipur location. So they just told that they will take the mass onboarding, they will give the mass date of joining in August and September. So you need to wait, you will get it for sure. So this is the very important update, that candidate start receiving their onboarding mail, list of document which they need to upload on their countdown to Accenture portal. Okay, so now in next video we will just tell you that your onboarding will be physical mode or virtual mode. What you have to do, you have to go to their your location, your desired or your preferred location, or you have to just do it virtually. So we will just tell you in the next video. I hope this video might help you. If you like the video, please share and subscribe, and once again thank you for watching the video.